Thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to call this part 0. The man's going to come pick this rod up today. So what I'm going to do is wax this rod. And I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that has commented, wrote in, bad, good, ugly, all of it. Thank you so much for helping my channel grow. Wayneo's Rod House. So what we're going to do, I use turtle wax. I use that turtle wax. And I don't use it like the directions say. I just apply it with my finger. I like to rub it in and get down in them pores and just get in there and get it all down in there. What this does, it repels the water, especially if you're saltwater fishing. It repels and it really helps. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm only going to do part of the rod and show you my process. So y'all hang in there and don't be skipping, all you good looking people there. Y'all just hang in there a minute and we'll be done with this shortly. So what I'll do is I'll do this process down the whole rod. And once I get it done and get that wax on there and get it completely covered, I'll come over here and I'll get my hair dryer and turn it down on low. And I'll dry that wax on there. And once that wax is dry, I'll wipe it off. But I'll give it a good drying. Get that wax in there. You want to make sure you do the eyes too, because it'll keep them from rusting if you're in salt water. Now, once that wax is dry, turn that noisy thing on. I'll take my rag. See, it's all yellow. There's no green on it whatsoever. And then I'll just wipe all that wax off. Once I get all that off of there, see the green tint come off of it? It's just like when you get a car painted, the first thing they do when they're finished painting that car, they'll buff it and wax it. It's the same thing. And you just take it and wipe it off, and man, look at that thing shine. And it helps your rod. It helps to keep the water, and the salt water will just repel right off of it. Now, once I get all that wax off of it, I'm going to show you the shine. Man, look at that shine on that rod. Man, and it's just as slick, you can't even hardly hold on to it. And just make sure you do the eye too. I'll just put it on eye. I don't dry it, I'll just put it on eye. Then take my rag and wipe it off just like that. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in, all you good looking people. I appreciate y'all subscribing to the channel. And stay tuned, because we're going to do another rod. And on this next rod, it's just one that I'm going to do. I'm going to let y'all pick the colors and the paint scheme on it. So thank y'all for tuning in. Have a great weekend. Until next time, go fishing and happy RVing. See you on the next one.